Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kate County in northern Oklahoma, Grant County in northern Oklahoma, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northeast of Wakita to 7 miles northwest of Jefferson to 5 miles northeast of Hillsdale, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Medford, Pond Creek, Lamont, Wakita, Bremen, Nash, Deer Creek, Manchester, Jefferson, Renfrew, Nargan, and Blackwell Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Tornado watch number 211 remains in effect.